Good morning, my dear students. This video from Al-Ahram Modern School. Today we have a new sound. Look, what this sound? A. What this sound? A is a digraph sound. Digraph sound means two letters make one sound. Two letters make one sound. How to write A sound? We always write between two lines. This is our two lines. Semicircle, up and down. Down, stick and dot. How to write sound A? Semicircle, up and down. Down, stick and dot. A is a digraph sound. Digraph sound means two letters make one sound. Okay. Look at this picture. What is this? Nail. Nail. What is the first sound in the word nail? And what is the middle sound? A. What is the last sound? O. Okay. Look, what is this? Rain. Rain. What is the first sound in the word rain? And what is the middle sound? A. And what is the last sound? Okay. Look, what is picture? Tail. What is the first sound? T. And what is the middle sound? A. And what is the last sound? Okay. Look, what is this? Train. What is the first sound in the word train? T. And what is the middle sound? A. And what is the last sound? Train. Okay. Look, what is picture? Paint. So what is the first sound in the word paint? P. And what is the middle sound here? A. What is the last sound? T. Paint. Okay, so how to write sound A? Semicircle, up and down. Down, stick and dot. How to write sound A? Semicircle, up and down. Down, stick and dot. Okay, look at this picture. We are going to trace, then write. What is picture? Rain. So what is the middle sound here? A. Semicircle, up and down. Down, stick and dot. Okay, look at this picture. What is this? Paint. What is the middle sound here? A. Semicircle, up and down. Down, stick and dot. Okay, what is this? Nail. So what is the last sound here? Nail. Down, stick. Okay, and what is this? Tail. What is the first sound here? T. Down, stick. Down, stick, sleeping dash. Next. Here we are going to read these words. Nail. What is the first sound in the word nail? Okay. And what is the middle sound? A. And what is the last sound? Nail. Okay. Look at this one. What is the first sound here? S. And what is the next sound? And what is the middle sound here? A. And what is the last sound? Snail. Thank you for watching.